Ano nakaroon? Mabutan din sa... Bye. Bumatakso ka.
Udah nga to.
Bahan din yung daan. Alright. Kanan. Lusum na di. Ulit kalakas jay nga ni. Lusum na. Ulit ka tumayo.
At times I wonder why I fool with you, but this is new to me, this is new to you. Initially, I didn't wanna fall, but you gathered my attention, it was all for you. So don't take advantage, don't leave.
Sarap! Hindi ko man i-bike, kung hindi pa nakadrive e-bike.
Aray ko.
Nakadrive ka e-bike kan?
Ano pa? Agad.
Puking ina. Pag-umaton.
Feeling yung kabilang kamay yun.
November, iti pinagluruan iti bomb, pinagbubong dito inyong ride, sa ano lang resign. Naka-resign ka ng mga nilingkaan mo na sumrapigil sa baling mga trabaho.
Na nagpa-Thanksgiving, Rose Domingo and family. Tapos San Antonio Spurs. Gago to.
Lalakot na sa kinarang agyan, at kinarang.
Wala. Wala. So,
Niya na eh. Ay, ibig na.
Iniwan ka na ng eroplano. Okay lang baby, wag kang magbago. Dito ka lang, humiming
lip-sync ka mo.
sa aking piling.
Sige na.
Mas
Dala na eh. Karin.
mas garod, kumana, mas kanana. Bigyan kayo lang po, ayaga, ay singa.
Pala. Nga mga tugtugan daytan.
I can't be your love. Look is too trivial for you now.
Joy magmumata.
Parang naririnig ko si mama mo ate.
At magsigawan tayo.
Kung masabi, may mangyayari.
Ano yan? Dito ka, Ban? Dito yung kayong... Dito ka nga ito eh. Malabas. Basahan. Galing ko ah. Ang ina na ito ay upal daw. Ganda yan? Ganda yan. Naman no, magawit na nanay. Magawit na mag-ramil. Magawit na kita senior citizen. Walang timabati, millennials, kid Gen Z. Pagod!
Automatic na ang luha tuwing naghahating gabi. Pag imposibleng mapatawa at di na matapuan ng ngiti, kumapit ka kaya sa akin nang ikaw ay maitangay sa kalayaan ng ligaya. Tayo na, ika'y magtiwala sa pagkanda yung gabi. Ako ang mahiwaga, LSU.
Yeah, yan yun. Yeah. Alam ko, siguro I don't know how to put it on. Ay, ganyan din yung akin. Ay, bro. GMCUI. Ay, wag ka naman ganyan. Diba? I don't know what to do with my hair. With this hairline, bro. No! Grabe naman makeup artist na yan. Nagagalit.
Baby, I like your style.
Grips on your ways, front way, back way. You know that I don't play. Streets not safe, but I never run away, even when I'm away. OT, OT, there's never much love when we go OT. I
Yeah.
pray to make it back in one piece. I pray, I pray.
We have our own accent.
So like, Philippine English. Yeah, why? Kasi di ba merong American English, British English, gano'n.
Yeah.
Eh yung Philippine English nire-recognize na rin siya as something na legit, gano'n. Like hindi na lang siya bastang mispronounced words, gano'n. Like legit.
Yung?
Ang aking festival, no?
Hindi ka ba ano yan, flashback? Flashback?
Ha, magta-transfer.
Hindi ba yan? Ano tawag doon kapag di ba kapag nag-makeup ka?
Okay lang.
Flashback yun tawag kapag reminisce. Throwback? Hindi! Di ba kapag mag-makeup ka and then kapag gagamit ka
Transformation!
Hindi! Di ba nag-makeup ka? And then kapag gagamit ka ng camera with flash, tapos parang ang puti ng face mo.
Ay,
Di ba flashback? Term doon? Di ba?
Huwag mo na akong kakain.
Hold my hand until we turn to ashes. Love me till they put me in my casket. I got all these feelings that I'm asking. Can I lay it on you? That's what I'm asking.
Anong ginawa mo? Anong ginawa mo? Aray ko.
Mahirap ka lang nagkumpama.
Ako na lang. Storage for this. Grabe naman. Kasi gas pala sila. What? Ay, wala na. Napasok ulit sila. Oh my God, ang lakas. Biglaan. Bro!
Guys, bumabagyo guys. Nandito ngayon tayo, nag-evacuate na lahat ng mga tao.
Ala, oh my God, I'm already clean! Lakas ng ulan!
Evacuate na lahat ng mga tao guys. Bumabagyo na. Bumabagyo na. Lang ng bagyo, no? Bagyo, lakas to.
Hindi na talaga tayo pinapakawalan. Dito na talaga tayo.
May bagyo pero kaya po yun. Bagyo yan. Ito.
Sa aming
사랑 사이서 바람 사이 각자의 영원히 바르고 덧칠되어 나이만큼 굳어지면 비로소 내 세상이 나의 작은 맘도
Ito yung pangit ko. Kasi ilalagay ko sa i-edit.
OMG, look at my hair.
Patingin.
I can find my hair comb. Where is my hair comb?
Pipit! Ganon? Tsura.
Take me to your best friend's house, go around this roundabout, oh yeah. Take me to your best friend's house, I loved you then, I love you now, oh yeah. Don't take me so tight, don't wait no goodbye.
Hi! Dito kami sa palengke.
Yes, dito sa talipapa nila ng bawa.
Bawal no?
Yes. And we are eating fish crackers
Not sponsored.
from yesterday once more.
Bumili nila ng tubig
And also ulam.
and ulam.
Where are you looking?
Wala naman nila bumili oh.
Saan?
Doon no.
Bakit? Anong bibigyan nila?
Tubig po. Wow na sila.
Let's just have a karaoke.
What ba?
Search karaoke.
Karaoke song with lyrics, sabi?
Yes.
Oh, look at... Oh. Can you have like this? Oh.
We don't have that.
Hey, mga kasta!
Is it cool, Shaina?
Yeah, that's cool.
It's cool. Hi! State your name. Hala. What's your name?
Magpa-introduce
Shaina. She's Shaina. And she's? How old? How old?
5 years
So
old.
she's 5 years old. What grade are you in now?
I'm grade is in the
To do, ano na? Algebra. Math? Algebra? Hindi. Do they make you memorize the
periodic table.
Yeah. They teach you.
in school?
They're teaching me all to draw and teach me numbers.
Do you ano? Agbati ba niya ang kay Romy? Ay. May lata? May lata? Hindi kayo lata. Ay, bati ni auntie. Itulog na garod na ang tilutan. Yung una.
Favorite color is it pink? Yes. Why is it pink? It's my favorite. It's so much cuter.
Parang mas may dynamic yung ano ngayon. Yung video.
Well, this year sounds more pink because it is cute and it represents you, something like that. Because you like pink. Yeah.
What are you guys talking about?
Your favorite color.
Your favorite color? I know. What's your favorite color?
It's pink.
Yes. I think it's pink.
Ate, ask my ate niya.
Hello, Shana.
Hello. What's the name of here?
What's the name of your sibling?
It's a boy or it's a girl? There's a boy and a girl.
Huh? You have two siblings?
Oh, there's a girl. Our sibling is a girl.
Older than you or you're older than them? Siya ang pangalan.
They
the
are
eldest?
older. My mom and dad is so much older.
Yes, but among your siblings,
Yeah.
you're the eldest. Among your siblings.
My sibling is 0 years old.
0 years old?
Yeah. Months pa lang, baby.
You only have... How many siblings do you have? One? Only one? How many siblings do you have?
One old
One only. Baby boy, baby girl.
baby girl.
Baby girl.
Do you want
What's
another
your
one?
name?
Another sibling?
Yes.
Yeah, but my mom don't have now.
Ang hirap mag-English ko.
Oh my God. Ay! Tsura ko naman din.
Bakit? Oh, sige, ulit.
She don't want to have a baby now.
Oh, not anymore?
Not anymore.
That's
She only
enough.
want one baby.
Only. One baby? Two
But
is
that's
enough.
you, one baby. But you have another sibling. So how's that? I got only one because my mom only wants one.
She doesn't want to have any more babies.
She don't have no.
How many babies does she want?
Only one.
Only one?
It made me smile. Not so long ago, how I wondered where they're gone.
Do you know that song? No. You're too young when that was released. You weren't born yet.
I'm born with 2001. I'm 4 years old.
There's a person over there pala.
Yes. Huwag lang karaoke.
Pumusik ka na lang kasi.
Let's video.
What do you want?
To video.
Search again. Huwag yung pampatulog.
All this but goodies.
iniwan ka na ng eroplano. Okay lang baby, wag kang magbago. Dito ka lang humimbing sa aking piling antukin. Kukupin na lang kita. Sorry, wala ka nang magagawa. Mahalin mo na lang ako.
Pagod na pantig na. Lumapit ka ngayon. Nobody knows this one.